Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 5 as primary. So you can share PlayStation Plus and all your games to every other account on your PlayStation 5. So you can see all my different accounts on here. Go to the account with the PlayStation Plus, the little yellow cross next to it. That's your main account. Select that. Then go up to the top to settings. Then go on down to where it says users and accounts. Then go on down to other. Go to the right and go to console sharing and offline play. On the PlayStation 5, this is the equivalent as activating as primary. So select this. Then go to where it says enabled on the bottom. And it says, do you want to disable your console sharing and offline play? Now you can only do this on one PS5 at a time. So I got a PS5 Pro and a PlayStation 5 regular. So I have my PS5 Pro set as primary. So if you do have that option, just a heads up, you can only have one at a time. But once you hit enabled, this will share PlayStation Plus and all your games to every other account on your PlayStation. And then what you need to do is download the game on your main account first, and then you can use it on your other accounts. So go your collection right here, download the game, and then it'll show up under installed, and you'll see it on your other accounts. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.